Hey Aries, hope you all are doing well. This is going to be a reading in love and career. So we'll see the message for you. I already shuffled a card. So let me see what is the message in love for second half of March. Hey Spirit, Guidance, Angels, what is the message for Aries sign? What is the message in love for Aries sign for second half of March? What is the message for Aries sign for Aries sign? What is the message for Aries sign for second half of March in love? What is the message? What is the love message for Aries sign for second half of March? What is the love message? What is the love message for Aries sign for second half of March? So love messages, the World card, Two of Pentacles, Seven of Pentacles, Three of Cups, Queen of Pentacles, Three of Swords. So Aries, I'm saying that you are looking at the offer, okay, love offer which is available to you, okay, and you're juggling between offer. You may be having 2-3 offers in love which is coming towards you, and you are confused. You're juggling between which offer should you choose. All right. Also, I'm saying that you're very happy in your love life, and you are just those who are single actually are confused which one to choose, and those who are already committed, they are very happy in their love. I'm seeing the World card, and let me clarify the World card here. Please clarify the World card for Aries sign for second half of March. Please clarify the World card in love for Aries sign. Please clarify the World card. Clarifying the World card for Aries sign. Clarifying the World card for Aries sign for second half of March. Clarifying the World card with the Moon card. So I'm saying that in your love life you are confused. Okay, you are confused what to choose in your life. So basically I'm saying that the relationship, whatever you want to go into, you look like confusion. As I said, which one to choose. Also, you're very confused. Should I go into relationship? Whether it's going to be good or bad. You're thinking a lot about it, or maybe someone is actually filling your ears, or maybe someone is guiding you that you should go and not. They are confusing you as well. Okay, so whatever is going on, it's really doesn't seems to be very good, because you are in a confusion state and you don't know what to do, and you're thinking a lot about it. You're thinking whether it's going to be a good offer or not. All right. Also, I'm saying there is this Three of Cups celebrating card. So you may be going on a celebration. You are celebrating with friends, okay, or maybe with your family. So I'm saying that you are celebrating your good time with your family. You may be going for a traveling, or outside, or at home, or some function you're going and celebrating it. Okay. So Queen of Pentacles, I'm saying that you may there may be offer where someone who is good and wanted to offer you and very good energy, or maybe it's you sitting and waiting for the right time to provide a good energy to someone. All right. Three of Swords, it means break heart, that you might be going through some separation, or maybe you offered someone a pentacles, a love, and that person is not accepted your offer, so you're going through breakup or separation, or maybe a hurt. So let me clarify Three of Swords for Aries. What is Please clarify Three of Swords for Aries sign. 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 So clarifying Three of Swords with Five of Swords. So I'm saying that your heart is broken because someone is not accepting your offer, and uh, someone may be coming in between you and your love, and they are stealing that person from you. Okay, this person here seems to be like stealing, and they are looking back to you. Okay, so maybe that person is cheating at you. Somehow you're broken, okay, by heart. That person may be cheating, or that person may be going with someone else and accepted someone else offer, and you have broken your heart. All right, let me see a few more cards. What is the message for Aries sign in love for second half of March? What is the message for Aries sign in love? 10 of cups and 5 of pentacles. So guys, I'm seeing a celebration card here. You might be celebrating. So celebration came twice in love. It could be with your family. It's not always about partner. It could be your family, that you're going to celebrate your second half of March with your family. It could be anything. It could be that you're traveling with your family. It could be that you're celebrating at home some function, or some good news. You're celebrating it. It could be a marriage is getting fixed. Okay, something. So something is coming up for celebration. Also, Five of Pentacles, I'm saying that you are really finding it very long, to find a love, a true love maybe, and you are still in a right path, but it's taking a little bit longer time. So Aries, I'm saying that you are going through group of Aries are really struggling with the love, to reaching and getting the true love what they need, and they are really walking towards it, and it's going good. They are in the right way, right path. All right, Aries, so that's a love message. Let me check the career. Let's see what is the career message for you. What is the career message for Aries sign? What is the career message for Aries sign for second half of March? What is the career message for Aries sign for second half of March? What is the message for career sign? The message is Three of Pentacles, Two of Wands, 10 of Wands, Queen of Cups, 9 of Wands, 8 of Pentacles. So Aries, I'm saying that you are really working hard, and you have completed your project. You now going back to take rest, or maybe you have completion your work, or maybe you achieved your target, and now you're going back to home, or maybe you're presenting to your boss. Some of the group of Aries, I'm saying that you are thinking of buying land, or maybe buying something, okay, which would benefit for your career. Or maybe some of the Aries thinking that how to expand their business, how to change their job. Okay, you are in a deep thinking, like what should I choose in job? Should I go this way? Should I go that way? So they are thinking a lot in terms of career, how to expand. So for businessmen, maybe they are thinking how to expand their business. What new changes should I come to this world? What should I do to change my get my profit? And for job people, they might be thinking of changing job. Maybe they are thinking of doing something new in their job, how to grow. Okay, also there is a Three of Pentacles, where people are coming to you and listening to you. So some Aries may be a job, maybe a boss, or maybe a manager. Okay, and people are coming to you and asking you a suggestion. Okay, they think that you are a good boss, and they want to take suggestions from you, and you're giving a suggestions to them. You may be a boss. Okay, you may be a team leader or manager, and there is a team members who are coming to you asking suggestion and taking a advice from you. Okay, so Aries, I'm saying that you are sitting in a very good good mind, good career, you have everything, money, and you have good intuitive mind. You are you helping people in your career, you are growing yourself. Okay, everything seems to be very well because there is a Queen of Cups here in your career. Also, I'm saying that you have, as I said, you have completed your work. You were doing a multitasking before, or maybe some of the Aries are doing multitasking in their life, and they have completed it now. Multitasking, whatever job, the hard work they are doing, it's now completed, and they are now working on money. So basically I'm saying that you Aries, mostly I'm coming across that they are working on their money, their career, focused on your on their money. Okay, so Aries is focused, good, very well focused in their money, and they are working towards it. The hard working multitasking is completed. Okay, so let me see more message. What is the message for Aries in career for second half of March? What is the message for Aries for second half of March? What is the message for Aries for second half of March? The message is the Sun card. Wow, Aries, I'm very happy for you guys. And the Death card here, 10 of Swords. So I'm seeing the Sun card. The Sun card represents that success, no matter what, is a major arcana card where you have success in your career. You are coming, there is a new beginning, new sun rising in your career. So everything seems to be fine. Second half of March is going to be success in your career, whatever you are doing, and whatever the difficulties, the depression in your work is over now, and you're getting success. All right, Aries, that's a career message for you guys. Let me see what is the general message for Aries. What is the general message for Aries sign for second half of March? What is the general message for Aries? What is the general message for Aries for second half of March? The general message is trust, traveling, and turning in. So Aries, I'm saying that you need to trust whatever you're doing. Okay, trust your instinct. Okay, whatever you're getting into, it could be a love, it could be a career, you need to trust whatever you're doing. All right, for some of the, I mean, for Aries, I'm saying traveling here. Maybe Aries, you're traveling somewhere for work, or maybe you're traveling for a vacation, somewhere you're traveling, or maybe this is a path where you are on a right path in your life. You are going to get a success. There is a turning in where you are tuning in with your intuition, and nothing is affecting you. So we say that we have a devil side and the God side, and both wanted to bother you while you are in thinking. But now it seems like Aries, you are tuning in with your third eye chakra, where you are nothing is bothering you, and you are connected to the universe and the meditative state, basically, where nothing is hampering you, nothing is impacting you. Okay, so Spirit is saying trust your intuition, trust your capabilities, trust your decision. Traveling card, which means that you are traveling somewhere, or maybe you're going in a right path in your life. Meditation is very important for you, Aries. Do a meditation. Okay, it would help you to choose the right decision in your life. Okay, so that's a message, Aries, and we'll see what is the guidance and message for you, Aries. What is the message and guidance for Aries sign for 2nd of March? What is the message and guidance? What is the message and guidance for Aries sign for second half of March? What is the message and guidance for Aries for second half of March? So the message and guidance for Aries. So Aries, I'm picking one card here, which will be your message and guidance from Spirit. Okay. So what is the message Hey spirit angels, guidance, and the high spirit, please provide a message and guidance for Aries sign for the second half of March. The guidance and message from universe for Aries is all tied up. So the message you got is all tied up. So I'm going to tell you what is this about. Okay, so the message is, this card is shows a woman tied up with vines around her waist, body and arms. Okay, you're saying this woman is tied up with vines around her waist, body and arms. So it means that it representing that in your life where things seems to be severely stuck. Okay, a situation, whatever situation is, seems to be severely stuck. Okay, stopping you from moving forward, or it may be some technicalities are blocking in your way. Perhaps you're waiting for a contract to be signed or an agreement to be made. So whatever is holding things up, the restriction may be feeling quite oppressive at this time. So it says that you are tied up with something, okay, not stopping you from moving forward. So if this isn't technically the case for you, what's tying you up is your personal stuff. Look at your life and see how you can be your own jailer. Are you trying yourself up in some emotional angst or in a negative habit that you refuse to deal with? If so, it's time to cut up the vines and make some serious changes now. You needn't live in your self-imposed jail any longer. So if it is not a technicalities, the spirit is saying what if it is a addiction, or if it is something where you can change your life, where you can change that habit, you definitely have to do it and bring changes to yourself, whatever is tying up to you. Alright, Aries, so that's a message for you. Hope you like it. I enjoy my reading and thank you so much for watching. See you next time.